Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Netflix error code NW-2-5. Let's get started. First, search for Control Panel and open it. Then click Network and Internet. Next, click on Network and Sharing Center. Then, click on your Internet Wi-Fi connection. Click the Properties button. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties again. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, enter 8.8.4.4. Check the box that says Validate settings upon exit. Finally, click OK. After that, restart your PC. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.